Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn future perfect tense. It's a very important tense, so please watch the video till to the end. Let's start. Future perfect tense. What will be sign in Urdu? चुका होगा, चुकी होगी, चुके होंगे. Okay. And what will be the formula structure? Subject plus will, shall, have, verb third form plus object. Subject will, want or will not, shan't or shall not, have plus verb third form plus subject. Will, shall, subject plus have, verb third form plus object. Okay, I hope you understand. Whenever you sing this sign in Urdu, you will definitely understand that this is a future perfect tense. Okay, let's move to the next slide. We shall have used with I and we, and will be used he, she, it, you, they. Okay, to form WH question, well, shall, subject, have, verb third form, object. Okay, how will Akmal have finished reading this book? Okay, this is WH question sentences. When will Naeem have got married? What will he have studied? Why will she have cooked dinner? Where will we have met your father? Where will they have gone? How long will it have rained? How long will passenger have traveled? अकमल अपना काम खत्म कर चुका होगा. This is question sentence, interrogative sentence. Akmal will have finished his work. Akmal will not have finished his work. Will Akmal have finished his work? Positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence. Adil football cricket खेल चुका होगा. Adil will have played football cricket. Adil won't or will not have played football cricket. Will Adil have played football cricket? Positive, negative, interrogative sentence. Tarkan एक नई कुर्सी बना चुका होगा. Carpenter will have made a new chair. Carpenter won't or will not have made a new chair. Will Carpenter have made a new chair? Positive, negative, interrogative sentence. परिंदा हवा में उड़ चुका होगा. The bird will have flown in the air. The bird will not have flown in the air. Will the bird have flown in the air? Positive, negative, interrogative sentence. वो गाड़ी चला चुका होगा. He will have driven a car. He won't or he will not have driven a car. Will he drive a car? Will he have driven a car? Okay, so this one verb third form, drive, driven, okay, for third form. Here you can also say in short form he'll or he will. Okay, positive, negative, interrogative sentence. Jamila अपने कपड़े धो चुकी होगी. Jamila will have washed her clothes. Jamila will not have washed her clothes. Will Jamila have washed her clothes? Positive, negative, interrogative sentence. Verb third form. Here we use, okay, this helping verb. Okay, this one helping verb. This one subject, object. बकरियां खेत में चर रहे होंगे. Goats will have graze in the field. Goats will not have graze in the field. While goats have graze in the field. Positive, negative, interrogative sentence. मैं मुताला कर चुका हूँगा. I shall have studied. I shall not have studied. Shall I have studied? Okay, या हम मुताला कर चुके होंगे. We shall have studied. We shall not have studied. Shall we have studied? Okay, you can use I or you can use we, but with the both we will use shall. Okay, and the rest of pronoun we will use will, have. फैसल लंदन छोड़ चुका होगा. फैसल will have left London. Faisal will not have left London. While Faisal have left London. Positive, negative, interrogative. Leave, left. Positive, negative, interrogative sentence. Okay. मैं स्कूल जा चुका हूँगा. और this one also correct. मैं स्कूल गया होगा. I shall have gone to school. I shan't or I shall not have gone to school. Shall I have gone to school? Positive, negative, interrogative. Go, went, gone. Verb third form. Here we will use in this sentence. Okay. वो अंग्रेजी के तमाम ग्रामर का मुताला कर चुका होगा. He'll. You can also say he'll or he will have studied all English tenses grammar. He won't, or he will not have studied all English tenses grammar. Well, he has studied all English tenses grammar. Change ill, will to ill. Okay, I'll, you'll, she'll, I won't, you won't, she won't, he won't. Okay. वो सो चुकी होगी. She will have slept. She won't have slept or she will not have slept. While she have slept or third form. Sleep, slept. Okay. वो सो चुकी होगी. I hope you understand this tense.